Just 1 second, people, just 1 second. Okay. Nice. Let's get started. We are sorry for a little time I took. Okay. I don't watch Sui, I just watch Bitcoin. Did I made something yesterday? FPG. Any target? Yes, this was our target. I will discuss this again, but for now, let's just wait up. So, hello ladies and gentlemen, please welcome back to the brand new live stream of the Cheesybit, Zbit and ZbitX platform. We are going live on the 3 different platforms and we are here just for you to tell you that trading in crypto, earning profit in the crypto is the most simplest thing you will ever see. Before that, I just want to tell you to all of my new people who are joining this for the first time, who don't know regarding this platform, what is Cheesybit, what is Zbit and every of those things. Zbit is a platform where we do the crypto exchange. Okay. So you can start your crypto trading over here. You want to do futures, you want to do options, you want to do spot trading, everything available under your fingertip. And one of the best thing about the app is the most beginner friendly app which you can ever see. I have tried myself and trust me, I was a beginner in the starting. But even though I didn't understand anything, that was so simple and it was easy for every case scenario. Like easy for everything, easy for the trading, easy for the deposit, easy for the withdrawal, because that's where most of the crypto platform have the problems with the deposit and the withdrawals. But trust me, on our platform you won't have anything. We have made our customer service in this way that we don't want to hire them. Why? Because we feel that our app is that good that we don't even need a customer service. But in the rare case, we have kept people for you. Okay, you don't have to worry about that. In a very rare case, yes, we did kept people. Okay, do not worry. And for the other people who are thinking in this way, like, how can I start trading when I don't even know how to? You don't have to worry about it because Cheesybit is a one pit stop for all of you people where you can know everything related to the crypto world. Whether you want to know what's happening outside the world, how it is affecting the world, how it is like all the tariff attacks, the economic imbalance and every of those things, the news related to the crypto which can help you in gathering some easy early step advantage in the market, or what you need to do inside the market. That is understanding the market, understanding the candles, understanding the chart pattern, having a lot of strategies so that you can have the most simplest, most easiest profit without any risk. Okay, see, risk will be, I'm not saying that without any risk will be there. Obviously, whenever you have something that's in the whole world, there is a 2 sides. One is a good, one is a bad. There can be just good and good. Okay. So if you are having a profit, trust me, you will have a few losses as well, which is totally fine. That's why the most famous quote of the market is the most unpredictable place. We can never predict 100% of the market. We can gather some evidence, which we do by analyzing the market, by analyzing the inflows of the market, the outflows of the market. Okay. So one thing as well I wanted to tell to all of my people that in the market, there are some jargons which have been used a lot. There are some technical words which I use a lot. If you don't know any of those technical words, please tell me, because those are the most easiest. It's just like the professional way of putting that word, but the understanding of the meaning is the most simplest. The
I just said inflow of the market and outflow of the market. It is so hard to understand what is inflow, what is outflow. It is one and very simple thing. Inflow means how many people invested what kind of amount in the market in that, let's say 24 hours or maybe 1 month or maybe 1 year or maybe 2 years. Outflow means how many people took their profit out of the market, like the people who are doing the holdings for the large amount of coins or even not large amount of coins. So we can guess from that how much money came to the market, how much money came out from the market, which gives us an behavior of an investor, where the investors are heading. Are the investors are looking for more investment, which gives us the majority of uptrends, which can give us the option to do a lot of buying. Or the outflow also tells us that most of the people are right now fearing regarding the market and they are not sure, not trusting the market right now situation. Maybe something is happening outside. Maybe some news related stuff came for the, like, so I will give you one example. When Bybit, OKYX, something like that, that's the name, okay. And a lot of such cryptocurrencies platform had hacking, like hacker attacked those people, attacked those apps, and a lot of wallets were attacked. Maximum Ethereum was stolen from that wallet, okay. So when the people heard this news from the outside that a lot of hackers are attacking the Ethereum wallet, a lot of people who had a holding in Ethereum took their money out because they were feeling fear at that time. The whole trading market works on two specific behavior of the market. One is a greed, second one is a fear. There is no middle thing. Middle thing is just for the smart money people. The people who are wealthiest people, they're like the big brands, big companies and all of those people who don't care regarding the greed or the fear. They just care what kind of holdings I need in the market. That's all. If they have some assets, they want to convert into some like for example, I will tell you, if a person has a lot of currencies, maybe in dollar, maybe in euro, maybe in INR, or maybe something, which he don't want to show it to bank, which he don't want to put it in the bank, what he will do, he will try to invest in maybe in the real estate, maybe in the gold, maybe in some other jewels, maybe in some antiques which he can sell again. Like the money is not getting lost. He knows if I put my specific money, there won't be loss. Real estate can have a loss, but in the terms of gold, we don't have a loss like maybe 10%, 20%, 30%. No. In a meanwhile time, we have seen one thing, that is gold is the most safest haven asset which is been traded since long time. Doesn't have a volatility, but at the same point, it has one very specific thing, that is a constant growth. You will feel like if you put money in the gold today, after 1 year, the same day, you will feel the price has went up. That's the gold for you all of people. And the Bitcoin, the cryptocurrencies, number one coin, not in just cryptocurrencies, the world's most expensive coin, Bitcoin, is also like for those smart money people, those industrial people, they are also considering Bitcoin as a digital gold. That's why we can see a lot of people who are like going for crypto trading, who are going for investment in the crypto, because they need to have an investment into crypto because they feel this is the most safest haven for the upcoming future. Maybe not right now. Right now we are not having that many uses, that many like Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. They don't have much to offer to people in right now stage. But trust me, in the far most future, there will be lots of stuffs which they can offer to us. And even like I told you one news yesterday itself, like the Russia is considering to use, they have used in previous way already, but it is right now again considering to use the import and export dealing right now without having the middle part, that is the banks and all of those people. Without having those, they wanted to start the grain, the food, the agriculture import export via cryptocurrencies, which is a very great news for the people who are having a hold. Because see, world have two factors. Like I told you, the market goes for a two behavior. One is greed, one is fear. When you hear something good about something, you will feel like this is gonna go up, this is gonna go rise, anything. It doesn't even have to just about the trading, okay? For example, if you feel like one of your friend or someone has landed on a good salary, you know that in upcoming years he's gonna grow more, he's gonna go up. Same ways happens for the crypto or the stock or anything. If there is something which is great happening for the people, if there is something which is great happening in profitable way for the company itself, for the cryptocurrency as well, if the investment, the inflows and outflows. So in that scenarios, a lot of people go by their greed cycle and they invest more in the Bitcoin. Like we have seen, since Jan, we had this one thing that all-time high was reached. 109 something. Okay. After that, we saw just a fall, just a bearish market in the market, just a bearish. Why? Because something was happening outside the world. So getting to know the news outside the world is very important, is as important as you are understanding, you're putting efforts to understand the market. You are like I am researching about new strategy. See, there are millions of strategies outside, millions. But at the same point, this is one very specific thing. Just a second, yeah, it's irritating me. Okay, so at the same point, there is one very specific thing for the Bitcoin. No, what I was talking about? Wait a second. I forgot what I was talking about. No, I was not talking about that. What I was talking about? I was talking about the big player. No, not the big player. Strategies. Yes. Like I have doing some research for the strategies. I'm bringing a lot of strategies. Yesterday I taught you regarding the web theory of the market, and in that, see, there are millions of strategies out there in the world, millions. But at the same point, not everybody works. So I like to refine the strategy for you. Rather than giving you all those things like A to Z, I would love to give you the one which is actually useful, which can actually come handy for you to have a good amount of profit. See, web theory can give you a very good amount of profit because that has been noticed as the most repetitive strategy which you can use. The market makes that repetitive movement in the market. Okay, because of it works on the basic fundamental behavior of the investors. That is the greed and the fear. Okay, other than that, this is one part, and understanding the news is one part. So today I have few news for all of you people so that you are aware of what is happening outside the world. So you are not just trading, and you are not realizing why yesterday was a sudden downfall, why we had this, why we had that. See, everything has a reason. There is nothing happening for no reason. Okay, everything, every step in the trading, because that is done by one person or two or three or four or millions. Okay, so there are reasons for why the market went up. There are reasons for why the market crashed down. There are reasons for everything in the market. Maybe not in the life, but in the market, yes. Let me just share you just a second. Okay, so first thing I want to tell you is Ethereum is showing a bullish morning star pattern. Could a big rally be starting? So there is a Ethereum morning star has been noticed on maybe weekly time frame or something. Let's get onto it. So Ethereum is up 37.7% in the past month, showing a strong recovery. We have seen, like we were seeing the Ethereum at what, 1500, 1400. At that time, from there we have seen the Bitcoin made the all-time high, that is 112. After that, every of the Solana, XRP, Ethereum, every of those coins which are related, because you see, I have noticed one very specific thing. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP and Solana, I won't say same, but they have a very similar movement. Very similar movement. If you go by any time frame, you watch 5 minutes, you watch 1 hour, you watch 1 week, you want a day. Every of those things might have a very similar movement in the market. If the Bitcoin is making double top, maybe Ethereum is also making double top. I'm not saying it's 100%, but there are a lot of similarities which I have seen, which gives us what? Which gives us an advantage of the market to understand the market more better. If you are having one trade in the Ethereum, you can have the same way in the Bitcoin. So two-way profit you can get from that, because you know one very specific thing, that they are moving a bit similar. I won't say same, but similar. Okay, understand the jargons. Same, similar, different words. Okay, but it is over 33% below where it was in June 2024. Okay, so Ethereum has yet to touch its all-time high. And really sure, like see, if one all-time high is made already, trust me, it is made to break. Same goes for like if there is one Guinness record or something, that record, there is one person back there working die hard to break that record. So same way, if there is all-time high has been created already, trust me, the people are working hard to invest, to do every of those things to break the all-time high, which will be done. The new technical signals and investor activity suggest that Ethereum might be ready to go much higher. A trader named Merlin the Trader spotted a Morningstar candlestick on the Ethereum's monthly chart. Okay. This pattern usually means a trend reversal from the down to the up. What is Morningstar? If you want to know what is Morningstar candle, Morningstar is like a big red bearish candle showing a strong sell signal. A small candle showing the indecision of it's like a doji candle. It's like a very small doji kind of candle. And the next candle will be again a strong green bullish candle, which makes it very compensate. First it was a very strong bearish, indecision, now bullish. That is called as a Morningstar candle. Okay. This classic bullish signal, since the traditional and the crypto market, the big investors are jumping in the Ethereum ETF. See, most of the time what is happening now, I will tell you. We have a bookish knowledge. Okay. For example, I will give you one example. If everybody has told you this one thing, like if you are learning a driving school and you are going on a driving school, they have told you like when you have to go left, you have to turn on the left indicator, right? This has been taught to you. Now we have been taught that there are certain candlestick patterns which gives you this kind of situations. So what is the psychology working over here? We have already know that this can give this, so we'll move toward this. It's not like that candle is made for this thing. It's like our psychology is triggering us because of the knowledge that right now reversal can come. So majority of people go for the buy. The majority goes for the buy. Obviously the trend is going to be the buy. You getting my point? It's like the things we have taught is now coming in the light. Institutional interest. Firms like Averax Capital stack 7.5 million worth of Ethereum, meaning they are looking up the Ethereum to earn rewards and support Ethereum network. Important price level, mark this important price level. 2550 is a key support level according to the analyst. Ethereum stay above is a key to the bullish momentum. Potential target will be like for the next month or next to next will be about 2550. It could go up to 2650, a short term. Okay. Another analyst of the Titan of the crypto predicts that Ethereum could rise as high as 3800 based on the bullish flag pattern. Based on the bullish flag pattern, that is the highest amount they can see that Ethereum can go up to $3,800. Okay. So extra bullish signal, what are the extra bullish signal? Ethereum is currently trading above 200 days EMA, a technical average that often signal long-term strength. This means a long-term trend is positive. Bottom line, the Ethereum chart is showing us strong bullish signals. Institutional investors are putting big money into the Ethereum and ETF. So, like I told you, like all of us should go ahead. Not go ahead. All of us, the retailer investors, should follow not the analyst or something I will say, but try to follow the smart money people, the big investors, because whenever they come into the market, we get a very big movement. So when they come to the market, we need to have a very big movement. So we should wait for those people to have an investment, and so that we can start investing as well. Okay, cool. This was the one which I wanted to tell you all people. There are one more. Okay. So there are two different news is coming as for the big investors. Like, you know, a lot of companies, a lot of big investors, big company investors, they are trying to invest in Bitcoin a lot. Like Meta Planet have a great holding, US government, great holding. There are a few more companies who are having a great holding. But there are two news which came today, which is completely like a white and black news. Okay, one is saying the good stuff, one is saying the bad stuff. Now, where do we focus? We don't know, but let's get that. Let's get into that news so we can know which one we should trust and which one we should not trust. Okay. So, a log tech, which is a logistic company, log tech company, is holding a bet 1.5 billion on 15,000 Bitcoin to drive global expansion. What is happening? Log tech holding a logistic tech based on the Hong Kong plans to spend 1.5 billion to buy 15,000 Bitcoin. Okay. How they will buy? They are not buying Bitcoin with the cash. Instead, they will trade company's share to the highest net worth and institutional investor in exchange of the Bitcoin. Why they are doing this? To diversify the treasury. Holding Bitcoin can help reduce the risk from the traditional investment. Okay, see, like I told you, a lot of people are moving away from the traditional investment and going for the future investment, which is grading investment in the company, investment in some, getting shares of some companies, investing in the digital currencies. This have become the more futuristic way of the investment rather than doing the traditional way, which is like opening a business, having a real estate and blah, 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 blah. Those have become a very traditional way of investment. Nowadays, more of the big people are, see, everything is a trend. I will tell you, everything is a trend. First, the big people will start something and then the small people will try to follow it. Same thing happened at the time when the crypto came, the crypto started trading. Nobody was giving attention to it. Nobody knew what is it, why is it, and blah, blah, blah. But when the big people entered, when they gave a lot of speeches regarding this, a lot of conference and blah, 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 then they get to know like what is this, why this, and then people get interest in the Bitcoin. This is the one thing, like even right now, more majority of the people are not having trust, are not investing in the crypto. I am asking a very big question, why? Why you have to wait for some trend to come to your life, come to your feed, come to your reel, come to your everything? Why? If a big player has taken a step, he must have taken the step for a very good reason. We are the one who may take the careless reason. We have that thing like, let's take risk, let's this thing and blah, blah, blah. But these big investors, the big player, they don't take risk. They have the proper management team for everything, which is evaluating everything, which is thinking about every future steps and every of those things. So if they are taking a step, trust me, they have already thought about every of those drawbacks and every of those things. And even if they still are investing, then yes, the digital currency has become the prominent way of investing in a future, in a present and the future. Okay. So, Strength Finance, a large Bitcoin holding may boost their balance sheet. Support expansion, fund raised can help to grow their business globally, especially in Asia, Europe and North America. Tech upgrade. They also plan to use funds to upgrade their logistic tech, including the blockchain integration in their supply chain. CEO's view. What is the CEO's view on this? Support their digital formation goal. Digital formation goals. Are you getting this words? Digital formation goals. Every people, like I told you a million times, that we are right now surrounded by the digital world. Everything is getting digital. Then we need this transformation in finance as well, which we are getting in the with the image of the Bitcoin, with the cryptocurrencies, all of the others one. But trust me, see, I'm not saying that every of those coin is gonna be the greatest coin of all time. No, few will, few might not. It's the life. It's like the same thing, like which sperm gets the first kind of stuff. So in that scenario, what happens is, if a digital formation is happening, formation we can see in the term of the marketing, we can see in the term of the work, we can see like there was not a single concept of remote job, but we have it. Why? Because We are surrounded by the digital. We don't need to come to the office kind of stuff. Okay. Right now you are watching me from Dubai. Okay. So in that thing, did you need to come to Dubai? No. We are surrounded by the digital where everything in the life is getting much more easier, much more. We are like reaching to the farmost world and connecting within seconds, within everything. We are doing shopping, we are doing this, everything is digital. Then why we left the finance alone? Why people are still stucking with the traditional way of finance? Why? I don't understand this. Raita only had 13 million assets in the March 2024, which makes their 1.5 billion Bitcoin plan a very bold and risky move. Wider trend in the 2025, Paris sent German first major sport club to hold Bitcoin in its treasury. Trump media raised 2.44 billion, most of it planned for buying just Bitcoin. GameStop bought 4,710 Bitcoin recently. Metaplanet, the company from Japan, now owns 8,888 Bitcoin. Strategy owns 5,80,955 Bitcoin within a 16.9% return in this year. So you can clearly see, like, world is going crazy for buying the Bitcoin in the and not world, the richer people. The people who knows the worth of the Bitcoin, the people who have that kind of money to buy that kind of thing. But in right now time, see, I'm not saying that you start holding it or something, but if you can gain a profit, if you can gain a generational wealth from this, and it is very easy to get. Okay, I'm not saying that it is hard or something. It is very easy for you to gain a generational wealth from the Bitcoin. Okay, so Muskan says, can you explain the wavelength theory which you said yesterday? I didn't get it yesterday properly. No worries. I'll get back to that thing after all the news and every of this thing. I'll surely get back to it. It's very easy. You'll get it. Okay, so this was the first thing where Raita is investing $1.5 billion to buy 15,000 Bitcoin. But on the same other hand, Meta shareholder rejects the proposal to add Bitcoin to the balance sheet. Why? What happened? Let's get into it. The Meta, a company behind the Facebook, Instagram, etc., shareholder rejects the plan to add the Bitcoin to the company's finance reserve. Voting result only 0.08% of share voted in the favor of the Bitcoin proposal. That just 3.72 million votes out of 5 billion. Okay, CEO Mark Zuckerberg, who controls 61% of the voting power, likely voted against it. Why? Who suggested the plan? Ethan Peck, a Bitcoin supporter director at a Stripe, a wealth management firm. He submitted the proposal on the behalf of his family's Meta share. Why did he propose it? The investment part of it was 72 billion cash into Bitcoin. It's a huge amount. 72 billion is huge amount. Leave it. Protect shareholder value by hedging against the inflation. Follow BlackRock's guidance suggesting that 2% of Bitcoin allocation for the company. He argued that 28% of Meta assets are losing value due to the inflation and the low bond returns. What's the broader picture? Some tech companies still avoid Bitcoin due to its volatility. Yes, I get it. Why? Because see, for example, if today Bitcoin is at 104, we know Bitcoin volatility is much greater, it's so much, like from 104k dollar to 106, it can touch in 1 hour if he wants. It can go to 97k dollars if he wants. If the market has that kind of any reversals from the buying side or from the sell side, we can see that kind of movement the market or the Bitcoin market can have. We don't have a very stable market where we are trading in a very stable place, like we are heading toward it, and in one day it will go around for maybe just $100 to $200. No, in one day it can go up to $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000. Like we have seen that one surge which came just in 1 hour. We saw from 90s it went straight to the hundreds. Straight. That kind of percentage profit we can get. See, volatility, I believe volatility has drawbacks. I get it. Volatility has a drawback. For which people? For the people who are doing holdings. For us, we don't do holdings. Okay, we don't have that kind of money to hold a Bitcoin. We do profits. We do internet tradings. We do just trade. We enter the market. We see, take the profit. We exit with the profit. That's all we do. So for us, volatility is very good. But it just have to go in your favor. If you have taken the buy, it should go for the buy. If you have taken the sell, it should go for the sell. Because if you enter for the buy, you know the market volatility is great. Within 5 minutes, within maybe 1 hour, maybe within 30 minutes or 2 hours or 3 hours, 5 hours, we can get up to 5%, up to 6%, up to 10% of profit from the Bitcoin. That's the volatility game from here. It is great for the retailers, not great for the big investors, because they will feel like I bought it at 104k. Next day the market is at 97. They will feel like I should have bought it at 97 because it would be much more cheaper, much more greater quantity they could have bought or something like this. Okay, so that's why when the market is in a very bullish, the people, the big investors, they try to hold that they don't want to buy more. They wait for the market to come to its lowest point so that they can buy. Okay. So, who is buying Bitcoin? MicroStrategy owns 5,80,250 Bitcoins. That is approximately 60.9 billion. Tesla holds over 1 billion in Bitcoin. 1 billion in Bitcoin. Okay, not 1 billion Bitcoin. $1 billion worth Bitcoin. Okay. GameStop recently added BTC to its reserve. H100, it's a Sweden company, a health tech firm, now holding a Bitcoin. They didn't disclose how much they are holding, but they just disclosed that they are buying it. Okay. Trump Media raising the 2.5 billion for the crypto buying. Blockchain Group, France Blockchain Group buying $72 million worth more Bitcoin. Okay, not 72 million Bitcoin, that money worth Bitcoin. Key trend. As the Bitcoin hits a new high, that is 112 last week, more companies are raising funds to buy Bitcoin. Merging listing to get investors money for the crypto strategies using Bitcoin as a modern treasury tool. It is one of the thing there. Like in the previous time, we used to think like people are having a lot of diamonds, the rubies, the golds and blah blah thing in their treasury. Now the world has changed. Now we are going for the digital gold. We are having the Bitcoin, we are having Ethereum, we are having other of this currency which is doing the great in the market. And this is not one of those. You see, it's considered like the new age people, we are starting to mine something. Mining is happening. Like you all know, like the term mining, people are mining the cryptocurrency. In before time, we were mining the gold, the jewel, the diamonds, the rubies and all those things. Right now we are mining a digital thing. It sounds very that thing like how is it possible, where is it happening and all, but see, it's a digital. So I am not a very IT kind of guy. I don't know how it is happening and everything, but I know one thing very fact that yes, it is happening. Okay, that I can be very very sure of. Other than that, I'm not sure of like how they are mining, what they do. I know it's something they do with electricity, something to do with something. Other than that, no, I don't know about it. Okay. So bottom of the line, sorry. Yeah. Raising fund to Bitcoin, merging listing to get investors to crypto using, that is done. Meta won't adding the Bitcoin at least for now. For now it won't. Maybe it is trying to get the market more down. Maybe he knows that market can go more down. Maybe he knows that maybe he's giving us a sign that maybe a bearish market is about to come where they might enter. Maybe. It's a maybe situation. I'm not saying anything because everything in a future is a maybe. Maybe it will happen, maybe it won't happen. There is a 50-50 chances for everything in the future. We can never say like 100%. Yeah, for the daily routine, yes, I can say like, yeah, tomorrow I am gonna come to office by 11. Yeah, that future I can predict because that is my daily routine. But I won't know what if something happens in between. What if something happens, I can't come and blah and blah. Anything is possibility. Anything is possibility. It's basically that theory. You have heard about that theory? Schrodinger's cat theory. Like, there is a cat inside a box. We gave him a poison, we gave him a water. We don't know what the cat is drinking. The box is closed until and unless we force our observation to watch if the cat is dead or alive. We will never know if the cat is dead or alive. That is the theory. Like, until and unless we see something, we don't know what is going to happen. Okay, done, bro. So this was the few news which I wanted to share with you all people, which is very those kind of things. See, we saw that Ethereum is having a very good bullish signal in the monthly. A lot of analysts are analyzing it, and see, it's not analyzing just for like Ethereum. Every people are like, there are firms, analyst firms who are doing it. Their job is to just watch market 24/7. Understand the market in the most deepest way, and if they are doing it and they are telling us that this may happen, this can happen, then it can happen. Okay, so they have said, the first news which I shared was like Ethereum is having a very good signal, that good buy signal. Maybe it can touch up to 3,800 according to the analyst, but the short term growth can be 2,550 to 2,650. Okay, this is a short term growth. The long term growth can be 3,800. Okay, other than that, we saw two different news from the two investors. One is a Rytire, which is trying to add their holdings in the Bitcoin, trying to get their business in a global expansion. See, why global expansion? Because nowadays people have started accepting Bitcoins, cryptocurrencies as a trade. Rather than having those middle people, the bank and all those things, now they have eliminated, because they unnecessarily they have to pay some taxes, they have to pay some interest, they have to pay something according to their whatever price they have asked or something. Okay. So rather than that, nowadays people are heading toward the futuristic way of investment, futuristic way of trading. They are having the Bitcoin. So Rytire is doing a very good holding of the, like, starting to buy the Bitcoin in a very good world. And in a same place, the Meta Planet is not ready right now for buying the Bitcoin. Maybe he knows that maybe like the market can go more down. The market can go in a bearish way, because maybe his analysts are more stronger. Maybe he has that sentiment of that a bearish market can come, because he has seen, like we have seen the same thing. In Jan 2025, we have seen the all-time high from the market crashed. We are seeing the May, this is May, right? Yeah. We saw the May all-time highest. Now maybe we can see the bearish movement in the June. Okay. Cool. So that was the thing which I wanted to tell you. Other than this, the best to, like, I will tell you, like, there are millions of strategies out there in the world for the Bitcoin trading and everything, but the most useful, the most logical one, which is having a meaning to it, which is giving us a sense to it, is smart money concept. Buy at the time where big investors are buying. The smart money concept gives you an opportunity to track the big people investments. Okay. Other thing is the wave theory. Wave theory is why? Because it's the most repetitive ones. Wave theory is not a strategy, it's the market movement. That's how the market gives us a movement. So they made a strategy out of it, that a wave theory, that this is a repetitive structure market makes. Out of that, they have made a strategy which is called as a Elliott wave theory. And Muskan wanted to know it, so I will tell you regarding Elliott wave theory. Let me just drink water. Let me just get my water. Back again, people.
Just give me one moment. Just give me one moment. Okay. Just a second. Okay. So before, did I deleted everything? I deleted everything. I can get it back. Can I get it back? Yeah. So before that, before starting the wave theory, let us discuss the yesterday's trade. As I told you this one very specific thing yesterday, that we had 3:4 reward ratio, which is a very good reward ratio. And I told you one thing, that at the time when it will touch the 1 hour fair value gap, we will see a very good rise. And you can clearly see it crossed. And I also told you one very specific thing, that this is the one line I created last night, right? That market will come here definitely to grab the liquidity from the market, right? And it came, we had a very huge, like, let's say what kind of this thing we got 2.6% from the market, triple, 4 times, 5 times your amount, your investment. So this was possible in yesterday's. I told you this was one where fair value gap, 1 hour strong demand zone. Either it will touch the 1 hour, or either it will touch the strong demand zone, which is the last one. And I also told you regarding this. So yes, yesterday's trade was very success and very great, very great. Like, it has right now touched the supply zone, heading towards down. Let's see. There are chances that it might rise again, because this is where it has taken the next demand. But we will see if there is any new fair value gap which has been created nearby, because from the fair value gap there are high chances the market can go up. Okay, so yesterday's trade was exactly accurate. Market did exactly what I told you. From one hour fair value gap, went up,
grab the liquidity from that same exact place. I told you it will go little more above that, so that because they know the markets, they try to put a little stop loss, little above, so they went huge and they came down from grabbing the liquidity. Okay, cool. This was yesterday's trade. Nice. Now let's understand our stuffs. Elliott wave theory. See, understanding Elliott wave theory, very simple. It is very simple. It is just a Dow theory. Like we have seen the Dow theory. Dow theory tells us up, down, up, down, up, down. This is the fundamental, common, organic, whatever you want to call it, the movement of the market. Okay, making high, higher high, high, like higher high, higher high, higher high, low, higher low, higher low, higher low. This is the organic way of the markets moving. Everybody got it? Okay. Now, waves are same. It's just 2 to 3 addition is there. It's just like Dow theory's upgrade version is 5 wave theory. It is called 5 wave theory. Okay, 5 wave theory. Some people call it 5-3 wave theory, but generally people call it 5 wave theory. Do not get confused. Let's just put our wave and let's understand what it is. But where is that chat? So, this is wave, 5 wave, 5:3 wave. Okay, let me just extend it. I will number it as well. Before understanding this is the diagram where we are gonna learn everything. There are some rules, there are some things which you need to know. Everything, we will discuss everything. You don't have to worry about it. The basic thing first you need to understand, this is an upgrade version. Like you can clearly see, it's an upgrade, just an upgrade version of the Dow theory. Okay, so Dow theory told us that a market has one movement. It goes up, it goes down, it goes again up, it comes little down, it goes. What is this little coming down? And what is this big going up? Why? So when an Elliott, the guy who invented this, he found out this one thing, that the market has 2 basic fundamental behavior of an investor: fear and greed. Whenever we see, for example, if I just keep it right now, 80. If it is at 80 rupees, okay, people will think that it is so cheap right now. We should buy it. We should bulkly buy it. So if it goes up, then we'll have a good amount of profit. From 80, it may go up to 200. Now from 80 to 200, the market shifted. Now half of the, like, understand the psychology. Not everybody in the market is same. Not everybody is market having a same capital, same mentality, same psychology. Okay. The first
not this. Yeah.
The first people entered over here. The people who entered over here. Okay, this is the first people. Out of this 100%, let's say this is a 100% range. Out of this many people are those kind of people like, oh my god, 200, we can't deal with this kind of profit, let's take that money out and let's go somewhere. Okay, these people. And the rest people, the less majority people are like, no, I believe market can go more up. I believe that market can go more up. Once this 80 goes to 200 with the greed, overall the first step is the initial step. The first initial step when they see that some market, some stock, some crypto is at very cheapest price right now and it can go up. That is the first initial step. When it reaches that 200 level, now there are other people. Some people are 80% people will take their profit and go home. Why? Because they feel like now the market can go up. Their fear triggers. Because they are not having good, like that kind of profit is like good for like done for day and done for day and blah 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 stuff. Okay, and they are done. After that, 80% of people will do short sales. They will take their profit, which leads to the fear. Okay, this is the fear telling them like I am fearing the market won't go more up. It will go down now. The fear triggers and we get this move. So this is the G. Triggered by the greed. This is this movement triggered by F, that is fear of the investor. Again the market came down. Now you have to understand this. Like I told you, this is the first people, the initial people who entered. Now there are 2 and 1. One is this people, the one who wants to keep holding it. And 2 is those people who are thinking that market came to 80 to 200. I lost the first opportunity of entering in the market, but I won't lose this second opportunity. So this is the second people are those people who are now entering to the market because they know that market can shoot up. Third people. 1, 2, 3. 1, you know, the rest which came from here. Second, newly entered people who are waiting to have this trade, but they were not feeling okay about it. Once they saw that yes, it is reaching, at the retracement they want to buy. And the third people, the complete new people. Completely new. They didn't know regarding it came from 80 to 200. They just opened the day, opened the market, opened the app and they saw it and they bought it. Okay, there are those kind of people as well. So this is third people. Now, at the first, how many people were investing? One majority of people, the one people who came newly in the market and they entered. Now, at this step, after the fear, second people who are waiting at the first entry are also entering. First people's half majority is also entering. And the third new people are also entering. 3 new people are entering. So that's why you can see the greed, the third in here, the third length is the biggest and the longest. Why? Because of the greed. 3 majority of people's greed triggered over here that this is a moment where I can have the maximum profit. It went up because of this majority. It becomes the longest wavelength. Okay. Now, again the market comes down. This is nothing but again this is G, this is greed which came up and now again this is coming down by what? By fear. Now from this again like I told you, every people's this thing, what is it called? Every people's needs. Every people needs, I forgot need word bro, come on, yes. So every people's need is different. Some may need something, some may need some other thing, some may need some other thing. Some may have like, I am happy with 1% of profit. Some may are like, I am happy with 0.5% of profit. I am happy with 0.2% of profit. Every people's need is different. So whenever they are doing this stuff, the fear triggers. It's fear plus they are satisfied with their investment, their profit. They will take their profit off. Again, the price will go up. Why? And now, okay, now understand this movement. Why this movement happened? Because this is at the highest point risk we are at right now. Because market went from 80 to 200, from 200 to 150, from 150 to again it went 300, from 300 again it came to 250. Okay, now at 250 they have one thing like yaar, market came from 80. Now at 250 it's already the market is in a lot good position. And there is high chances that market can fall from here. High chances. Because majority of people who are doing holdings would love to take their profit off. But now fourth people enter over here. This fourth people are the one who is noticing a character of a market. A structure of character is equal to structure. Okay, they are one and the same thing. Character is basically now they are seeing that market made high, higher high, higher high, higher low, which gives them an indication that right now a market is having a uptrend. Got it? So those kind of people who see the structure is being formed for an uptrend, and I believe that market can have an uptrend from now. So those four people in an excitement, they take a trade for an uptrend. Yes, the market goes up. But after that, when the market is reaching that value, that it is too much now. From 80 it touched 500. Too much. It should fall now, which is called as overbought zone. The market price becomes overly bought, becomes like the price becomes too high, so it considered as overbought situation. From there we see a fall. Okay. This is again the fear. From that fear, little bit tries to go up because the people have this mentality that it is an uptrend now. Goes, but the fear takes over this thing. Greed. Because the greed couldn't take above the last greed. It was low, which generates the less strength in the buyers and greater strength in the sellers. So this is a reversal. You understand the wave? What is a wave psychology happening over here? Now let me just give the numbering to the wave. What is 1 wave, 2 wave, 3 wave, 4 wave, 5 wave, 6 and blah. Okay. I will tell you those things now. Very simple to understand. Is there anything? Okay. You understood the psychology. Now understand the wave. This one is a first wavelength, the initial movement of the market. This is a second correction wave. Second. Number 2. This small one. Now this biggest, the longest one, like I told you, here a lot of people are there. New, old and the waiting one. So this becomes the third wave, the longest wave. I will tell you some rules as well. Let's just first, I will give you step by step. This comes again the fourth correction wave. The fear triggers the correction. This is the fourth wave. Fifth wave, the last excitement wave. Last excitement. Then this is A, this is B, and this is C. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. 1 initial movement, 2 correction, 3 the greatest excitement, 4th again correction, 5th the last excitement. After that we can see reversal signal. A, B, C is a reversal signal, like from here the market is changing its direction. Got it? Cool. So this is the wave. Now let me just give you some rules. Let's get into the rules of 5-wave theory. Rules of 5-wave theory. what are those rules which needs to be done, which needs to be said, or which needs to be followed to be called as 5-wave theory. Because I told you this is a repetitive stuff, not all the time. Difference, all every time, repetitive sometimes, most of the time, sorry, not sometimes, most of the time. So there are some rules where we can identify which is the 5-wave theory and which is not. Let's go into the rules. Side by side, we will make one diagram as well, and I explain you by the diagram as well. Okay. So first, let's make the wave 3, 5, A, B, C. Okay, let's number it as well. Let's make it little up. Let's number it 1. Do you want me to give arrow? I can give arrow as well. Small arrows. 1, I don't think so arrow is needed. 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5. I think my 5 is a little big. I have to make it a little small. Third will be the longest. Okay, now ABC. This is A. This is B. A, B, last one C. Okay. Okay, so this is the 5 wavelength theory. Now we plotted everything 1, 1 wave, 2 wave, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. This A can be a little above. Okay, got it, good. Now let's understand the rules of the... There are majorly 5 rules. First rule. Third. Let's go by second wave can't should not go below first waves okay. This is the first rule, that the second wave should not go below the first wave ending. What does it mean? It means this is the first wave's starting, sorry, not ending, starting. I missed one thing. I have to say starting. Okay. So this is the first wave starting. This is the first wave we can see over here. This is the first waves starting. Okay. So the second wave should not cross this or not even touch. It should not be like this and this, or even like this or this. Okay. These are the two things. Even the minute difference or even the minute touch, you don't consider it as a wave theory. It should be always some percent above, some points above the starting of the first wave length. This is the first. The second's ending. First rule says second wave should not go below first wave starting. This is second wave going. It should not go below this or touch this. Got it? This is the first. Just change it pro. Okay, this is the first rule. Now let's go for second. Second rule says third wave should not be the smallest area. Third wave should not be the smallest of all waves. Okay. Our second rule says the third wave should not be the smallest, because like I told you, this is the point where majority of the people will enter. So third, either it can be the longest one, but it cannot be the shortest. It should not be shorter from the 2 and the 4. It cannot be, it should not be. Okay, getting the point? Nice. 1, 2, 3 will always be the longest one. But it even if it's not longest, like sometimes fifth can be the longest one. I'm not denying it sometimes, but it should not be the smallest one. If it's a small, then 2 and 4 It's not a wavelength. It's not a wave theory. Getting my point? But it's in the line. Little OCD. Third rule says wave 4 should not enter R. First waves top. This is the third rule. Okay, let me just put it in the line. Okay, this is the third rule we have, that the fourth wave should not enter the or touch the first wave stop. This is the first wave stop. Okay, this is that line. The fourth wave should not come or touch or enter this. If it's entering this, no, this is not a wave then. Okay, it should be always above the fourth. Same way this thing, like from the first, our first rule says that the second wave should not enter the below. Same way the fourth should not touch the first stop. This is the first wave stop. You just draw the line and you see if it is touching or not. If it's not touching, then you can go for the fifth wave entry point where you can have a profit over here. Okay, this is our third rule. Okay. Okay. Fourth rule. Yes, on the line. Fourth rule says that A wavelength, it should not be a wavelength, that's why I just did hyphen. A wavelength, A wave should cross the fourth wave's top. Okay, A should cross the fourth wave top. What does it mean? I will tell you. This is the A wavelength. Like I told you, this is one stop. Fourth should not cross. This should not happen. There should always be gap. Now A, as it's a reversal signal, A, B, C are reversal signal for us, that right now the 5 lanes are complete. Now a reversal can be happening. Okay, if an A, B, C happens, then it should always be below. It should cross this thing. Okay, this fourth wave stop. This is fourth wave. This is fourth wave stop from where the fourth wave started. it should always cross this thing. The A should always cross the fourth wave. It should not, see, I don't mean that if it touches and goes, that also fine. If it's a very minute one, that is also fine. But there should not be gap in between. That's the only thing I'm trying to tell you all people. Okay. There should not be a gap between the A wave and the fourth wave's top. Okay. This. Just draw this line. If it crosses, completely fine. If it doesn't process, then maybe the uptrend may still continue. Okay, this is not the 5 wavelength, because according to 5 length, the fifth lane will be your, after fifth lane will be your reversal situations. Okay, repeated events. So these are the rules. So these are the rules of 5 wave theory. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take screenshot. If you want to write it down, you can write it down and every of the stuffs. Okay, I will just delete this. This is the rules of 5 wave theory. I will now make you understand, now that you have understand everything regarding the psychology, the rules and everything. Now we will go in plotting that things in the market. How to plot it, when to enter, how to take the trade and every of those things, how you can gain profit from it, every of those things. Okay. And one thing I forgot to tell you also, one thing, see, one very important stuff. Fib is a very useful tool for the wavelength. You can plot it whenever you see that the market has reached its lowest point. See, one will start from the lowest point itself, like a major swings ending or some downtrends ending from where the market is trying to change. That is where our first wavelet starts. From that first, you will plot and you will go to the first top. Okay, this top. We'll try to touch that top. After that, you will see majority of the time, it will try to retrace from maybe 0.3, 5 or 6. That's it. 0.5, 0.3 and 0.618. This is the region where the market will come and again retrace back. Same goes for the other stuff. Like now this bottom has been created for you. Now you'll plot the fib at the lowest point of that 2, the ending of the 2, and you will go for the third one. The third one wherever it ends. Okay, whatever profit you are having, whenever you are seeing the market is coming down, you plot it. You will see that at the time the market will try to come down again. It will take the retracement 0.3, 0.5 or 0.6. These are the 3 regions where majority of the time it will take the resistance. Okay, top support, sorry, not resistance. Same again. You first have to wait for market to make a top so that you can connect that fib from this level to this level. Okay. Whenever we see some reversal signal, like from here the fear is trying to take over in the market, at that point we will do this. At that point we will enter for we will plot our Fibonacci retracement. Okay, fib is called Fibonacci retracement. People, okay. Now let's go and plot it. This is, if you want to take screenshot, you can take screenshot. I'll wait for 5 to 4 minutes. Okay, done, I guess. I'll delete everything. Now let's go and learn how to plot it. Okay, sometimes plotting can be tricky. Try to go on the higher time frame itself to plot this wave theory. See, market first was a bit indecision, higher swings, a little sideways market we saw. Now we are having one trend. First wave, second wave came a little, third wave the longest, this is the fourth wave, and from here we may see fifth wave somewhere over here. Get my point? Sometimes the middle things can be noises as well, so you have to find out everything accordingly. Okay, and now I will show you that thing. I will give you more examples. Okay, do not worry. From first, no, wait, let me just plot first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let me just plot the fib like I told you, like the fib lowest point to the highest point. You will click. See, you can clearly see 0.5 to between 0. I will zoom it. You can't see it, right? I know. See, from the bottom to top I connected. From there you can clearly see that at 0.3 to 0.5 again we saw the retracement. Now one thing cleared. Now again second thing we'll do. We have the top of this. We have the bottom of this. We have the top. Yes. Same again 0.3 to 0.3 to 0.5 we saw the retracement. This is the thing, like whenever you are having a wave theory, Fibonacci can be the one of the best tool for you to use. Okay, cool. Which can give you a lot of retracement. You know where to enter the market, where can be the ending of the market and every of the stuffs. 0.3 to 0.5 there will be. Okay, cool. Why I say okay and cool so much? Let's take another example, because this wave has yet to complete, but we will check out on this wave. Okay, this is a good wave which we guys learn. Can be. Lowest point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. You see that wavelength? This is 1. See, in the candlestick it may look a little difficult to understand, but you can just go on this, then you will clearly see it. See, it was 1, then 2, sorry, 1, this 2, this is the 3, this is the 4, this is the 5, this came again A, this is the B, and this is the C. Got it? So simple. You just have to find out the first lowest point. Okay, we will never plot this in somewhere in the between. We need to have the market at the lowest point to start the wave. We'll have more examples. Let's go for BTC. Not every time it will be very accurate. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. Another very accurate example. Sometimes it won't be accurate. It's a wave. It's like people's. It depends on what is the people's mentality. What are they doing? How much in what quantity they are buying? And this between big candle, you can see it is a big player's entry. That wave is for the normal people to enter.
Why are you locked, bro? Okay. Recently, we can see one recent one. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. Simple. Good. Now, where and how to buy? Whenever you see that the market is made one, wait for the one moment, and whenever it comes down, wait for this moment. From here you start the buying, you know it is going to go up, go up, go up, because this will be the longest. Whenever it is showing some rejection problem, do your short selling, come down. Again from the fourth, buy for the fifth. Again from here, short sell. There is so many times you can do buy, short sell, buy, short sell, buy, short sell. Multiple profits you can gain from the this wavelength theory. Multiple. One, two, three, the longest. 4, 5, A, B, C. It is, I will make it white and broad. Okay, it is easy to see now, I guess. Yes, see, market went up, that's our 1. This is our 1. Market came down, didn't cross this line, this became our 2. From here, third, the longest one, made an high. From there, actually this was the high. From there we saw the market came down. The condition, this should not overlap, this there should be gap, done. Fifth wave, the A had a condition that it should cross the fourth, it crossed. From there again it came down. See, easy, very simple to understand, very simple to trade, very simple to do. It's the like one of the simplest trade, and it makes sense as well because it's working on the behavior of the investor. It is the greed, it is the fear, and all of those stuffs. Okay, now how many opportunity do you get to do buying or selling or something? Okay, let me just show you those. Okay, I'll just bring this same market a little down. Okay, the same market a little down because it's making a little confusing for all of you people because of I can change it into the line. I can change it into the line. I'll change it into the lines. Okay, now how many opportunity do you get? First, buy. Sell. Buy. Sell. Again buy.
sell. Buy.
And this I can just trigger here.
Again sell. How many opportunity do we get? We get 3 buy opportunity and 3 sell opportunity. Market came initially, first buying happened. We took here to here amount of profit till the market went up. 1 profit booked. Second profit from short selling. Third profit from again buying. Fourth profit from again little short selling. Fifth profit from again buying. Sixth profit from short selling. Seventh profit from buying. Eighth profit from selling. This one strategy can give you 8 entries. And that too is very perfect entries. Fibonacci 0.3, 0.5, 0.6, perfect entry for the market. Perfect entry for the market. So this can give you 8 entries, 8 separate entries from one strategy, from one. And if you want to see what can be your calculation and every of those things, let's just see. From here to here is first 0.6. Okay, from here to here another 0.6, that makes it 1.2 something. Okay, then from here and from here to here another 1.26. So 1.26 plus 1.26, 2.4, 2.4, then 2.4 plus 0.3, 2.4 plus 0.3, 2.7, 2.7. And from here to here 2.7 plus 2.6, 3.3, 3.3 plus this cell over here 7. Okay, 3 point, I'm bad at maths bro, sorry. 3.3 plus 7, 4% till now, 4% till here. Again we do buying. This will be the last 0.5. So 4.5. 4.5% of profit from one strategy. This complete strategy equals to 4.5%. Easy. You don't even have to do anything. You just have to find the waves. That's all. That's all. And it is the repetitive stuff. I'm not saying that it will come every day. No. It won't come every day. But most of the time it can come. Most of the time. Yes. Most of the time it can come. So most of the time you have an opportunity to gain the profit of 4.5, but you have to make sure that you are doing the profit in both ways, not just buying but selling as well. 2 ways profit if you are doing, then only you will get 4.5. Otherwise it will be little less. Or you can make it half, like 2% of profit if you just want to do the buying. Okay. Got it? So this is a 5-wave theory. One second.
Okay, let's just do some analysis of the market, what is happening today, so we can take some, I will tell you regarding some trades which we can take or something like this. Okay, let's just see, let me just delete everything. You understood the 5F theory and everything, I guess. How, God, there won't be any more simplest explanation. Okay, in 1 hour this is one fair value gap, but at the same point no peak rejection. See, this is one thing which happened, peak rejection, but the selling side is greater. So let me just make one thing very clear over here, that this is our target, this is our supply zone, this is our target. You see a very big candle came after that. So previous candle, we marked its high and low and we call it a supply. I want to make it in a red color. Okay, so this is our 1 hour supply. Sorry. One hour supply zone it is. So that's our target. If anything happens today, that will be our major target. Okay. Main demand zone. Main demand zone. Okay, this is our main demand zone which we will be looking at in the market. This is our main 1 hour demand zone. One hour. We have our range over here. Okay, the market is trying to come down, but we can never know from where it can take the next step back. For that, I need to know if there is any fair value gap between here. One, I can see at this point where the market is, this is a huge fair value gap. This one is a huge fair value gap over here, and market is right now at that point. Okay, so we'll look for this as well. I'll just mark it 1 hour fair value gap in between. We can see any other fair value gap, any other, a very small one. I don't need this small. This is big. This is also big. Okay, for now we'll just have this. I can do this. Let me just make, I want to see fair value gap. It will show me fair value gap. one on the right side, but why it not showing for this? Why? We'll use the fair value gap indicator for all of you people. Let's have a fair value gap. Okay, that gap has been filled. No fair value gap. Okay, fine. So this is one very small fair value gap we are sitting on. We'll still mark it. Maybe a reversal can happen. Maybe situation. This is a maybe situations. Fair value gap for the green side should be mentioned in green. Okay. This is our fair value gap of this. Let's write FPG. Okay. An early reversal sign. Why it is in red? The major demand zone, major supply zone. BTC/USD has decided to become rude. I know. Okay. We have our target locked. But there are so many things which can happen in the market. Like I will tell you. See, this is a very good supply zone from where we can see a very huge candle for down. And this is a 1 hour. So that is huge candle means a big player entered. Our market is right now at that position, and you can clearly see 1 time, 2 time market has respected that exact thing. And we are in the verge to where we can respect it again as well. It will come down. So I have to mark that thing as well. It can be helpful in the lower time frame. Okay. The major supply we can come down to this point. Temporary supply. Chances, and we can see what indicator are you using for entry confirmation. Looks like RSI MACD. Oh my god, no, I don't use RSI MACD or thing. I don't use indicator for entry confirmation. I just use fair value gap and index and stop hunt. These are the two indicators. The index and stop hunt gives me the indication where the market has taken liquidity from the market, and the fair value gaps tells me where are those people's limit order placed, because there is a sudden limit order has been placed at that point. Looks like RSI MACD. Come on, bro. Come on. Like, if you even are like putting comments, first watch this. You can read this thing. Okay, you can read this. Inducement stop hunt TFO. Lux algo fair value gap. Where is RSI? Where is MACD? I'm like, you want to comment anything, right? You want to comment anything. Like, whatever you will see, you will comment. There is nothing, no RSI, no MACD. I don't deal with those indicators. Such an offense. I took it as an offense.
Oh man, I just missed an entry by $10. It's fine, it's fine. We'll wait because I feel a movement of a new move can come. A new move can come. I feel there is a new move coming. But Muskan, major disappointment, bro. Can't even read or what? So, what we can see in the market, our analysis, this is a 1 hour demand zone which I have grabbed from here. 1 hour huge supply zone, like recent strong supply zone we can see, because from there the market is trying to fall down now. The previous supply zone which is standing, which was respected, and then it got broken as well. That is totally fine. Broken is totally fine. So we are waiting. I feel, are you using fib level or just price action? Sometime I use fib to see where can be my potential retracement from the market, where can I have those stuffs, where can I see the rejection, where can I see the retracement. So sometime I use, yeah. Like even right now, if I just plot it from the bottom of this to the top of this, see market is at 0.5 and it is taking the retracement over here. So this gives me key think like maybe it can go up, and this is a supply zone. If it goes up, maybe there is a tremendous downfall I can expect from the market, which I am trying to expect. I was telling you that 2 to 3 scenario which I want to tell you. See, first scenario, what is going to happen in the market? Market has made a very good supply zone which has been respected. One time came, fall down, second time came, fall down. It came direct to the demand and then it got shifted. Okay. Right now again the market came and it has a 0.5 fib level. It may go up, but due to the previous supply, it can fall down. There are two things which can happen. If it goes up, fall down, there is one FVJ which can hold or support the market, which can release the previous orders or the upcoming order which should be released, and then it can go up again, or we can have this reversal, or it can directly go to the 1 hour demand zone and then go up. These are the two situations which can happen. Okay. The market can, I don't think the market will go to the 1 hour supply zone, because there are two very aggressive. First, this is the great supply, and in between, if you can see these two blocks, that's the fair value gap. Okay. So going situation is not going to happen. Obviously, we have to enter for the short sell. We'll enter for the short sell. One, this point, second, this point, or maybe at this point as well, we can see it. Okay. So this is the analysis of the market, what trade we can have today. Let's just go on the lower time frame. 15-minute directly will shift. I hope you are watching the SMC gap and the last weekend, dude. I am. Yash, are you more of a TA or FA? What do you mean by TA and FA? What do you mean by TA and FA? First tell me that thing and then we'll discuss about it. Okay. In 15 minutes, same scenarios. Market's trying to touch our supply, temporary supply, 1 hour. Fair value gap is also here. Okay. Let's see what. See, this is the fair value gap. Market came down exactly from the fair. This is the fair value gap which was created before. Market came down and exactly from the fair value gap straight went up. Straight up. So I'm hoping that market might go up again. Sorry, it might fall because this is fair value gap. Let's plan an entry after some time. Let's watch the market a little, because 2 to 3 analysts I told you, either it can go from where it will give us a rejection. That is a thing, that is what we need to find out. If I plot this, it has taken the support from 0.5. It is very close. Technical analysis or fundamental analysis? Both. I do both. See, from 0.5 we can enter for FEG. From 0.5 we can enter for FEG, but in 15 minutes this is looking like a very good demand, bro. Can you see this? Straight up it went, creating another demand. So many demands. Let's go for 5 minutes, the time where we are gonna do the trading. Ta 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 ta. Oh, it's my life. When you do my love, I'm fucked up, baby. You fucked up. We gonna be alive, nigga. We gonna be alive, nigga. We gonna be alive, nigga. I caught that same bounce. Good. So, like I was telling you all, people, in the down we can see fair value gap, in up we can see fair value gap. There are fair value gap where we are stuck between the fair value gap. It is better to watch the market for a little while time to see what we can happen. We can't just go for the buy situation, we can't just go for the sell situations. We have to wait for the market to do something, because even if the market is taking there is no, okay, there is one over here. I can see this is one demand from where it can rise, but supply zone again, bro. There is again supply zone. See, due to this big candle demand, market right now, big candle, fair value gap, red candle, confusing state. Let's wait for the market to do something. I will just take a very quick small break. In 5 to 10 minutes I'll be back. Okay, till that time watch the market, don't do anything. I'll be back in 1 minute. In 10 minutes I'll be back. I'm just taking a short break.
Market is starting to fall. But, guys, third wave is not biggest. This is not a wave. I would have considered it a wave if this third wave was the biggest one, because I can clearly see the first wave is the biggest one over here. So that's not wave. That's not wave. Well, let's see. Market is showing a little change of character, a movement upside, changing from uptrend. But if I go on higher time frame, in higher time frame, it's just a little retracement kind of stuff, a very little retracement. ये बोल रहे क्या, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. Major downtrend is starting. A major downtrend is starting, or not? Is it retracement? Is it a downtrend? Is it a retracement? Is it a downtrend? Bro, when we are having a fair value gap, entering becomes very confusing, because we never know when and where those big investor people's another trade is gonna go, is gonna execute, and the market is gonna go up. Or even if, like, see, there is a thing. This is where the order was executed previously. We don't know if it will execute again or not. It depends on this guy. If it has taken one trade, if it has taken 2, 3, 4, we don't know regarding that. This was one trade executed. Maybe there is a second trade over here, or maybe not. This is that thing. This is the fair value gap. It always leaves us in a bit of a confusion of what to do, what not to do. It's better to observe the market for a little while. If I see from 1 hour point of view, from all time, not from all time, from the recent major pushback, this is the recent area. I'm plot it over here. After that, I want to plot it to the lowest point of the market where we are standing. We are at the 0.3 to 0.5. Can take retracement, may not take retracement. There are chances as well, there are chances are not, because 0.3, 0.5, 0.6 are our golden ratios where anything is possibility. Let's wait for few things. Let's wait for few things, bros. Let's wait for few things. Okay. See, order is executed. This is why I was waiting. A big candle came, the order got executed of that guy. Let's see what we are getting into. Market is going up, going up, going up, let it go. I don't want to see fair value gaps anymore, but it is important as well. Maybe we can have a major consolidation over here, like zigzag, 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 till the point we decide where you want to go. If it comes down, that is a good thing for us because we can enter for the buy situation up, or at least give me 1 2 to 3 cent. Do you know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for this. I'm waiting for this. Like, give me something like this is the zone which has been made, a consolidation zone. So then I can plan my entry. Maybe from my enter over here, my target would be this. Or if it breaks this, my entry would be here, my target would be something else. Still rising, still rising, still rising. But the reversal came at hammer candle itself. You need to understand this candle patterns. That's why I tell you to understand the candle patterns. This is hammer candle pattern. Okay, that is hammer for you. It is a bullish candle pattern. Okay, you need to understand these things. Zero 0.6. Okay, if it falls from here, it will go up to 0.6. If it falls from here, it can go up to 0.6 as per this. At least 0.5. Let's go for sell side. I entered for the sell side at least for 0.3 to 0.5 because I cannot wait this long for a market to make some big movement. 0.3 to 0.5 small profit I'll take. My take profit I will keep it at 0.5. $54. That is fine. $54 I can have. Rather than having nothing, $54 is something. Let's have $54. Or as per the thing, I feel like market is coming to the fair value gap, going up, coming to the fair value gap, going up. Maybe it can reach 207 as well, 0.7 as well, because it is trying to touch the fair value gap. Let's see what the market tries to do. We are here. We'll watch. Still holding, still holding. Okay. We have entered in the market. Market is $53 is my take. $53. Yeah, battery running low. It's fine by me. The last day to charge. Ouch. I should have went for 0.3. I did 0.5, but I believe it will come. It will come around. It will come around. Let's not have loss. It will come around. We are sitting on a very huge fair value as. Fair value. Sorry. Fair value gap, not fair value as. Sorry. Fair What do you think, people? It's going in minus, but let's have hope. Let's have hope. Let's have hope. Yeah, it went shoot up. It will come down. It will come down. Eventually, at whatever place, whatever time. Bro, what is this fair value cap doing? Your market is coming to your level. Drop it down. Fast. Let's play game, bro. I'm getting bored now. Dun, 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 dun. See, we'll watch our market from here. We have seen a major rejection happening from that place. Probably we can go down now. Trust me, I want to. Let's. Pop. Okay, I got this. What's my deck? Still, we still carry this deck. We'll still carry this deck. It was working fine, I guess. Yes. Any new cards? I'm like, there are new cards. There are new combinations I can have. But for now, let's not have any combinations. What's happening to the market? Okay, a downside. Come on, $53. Bro. I'm not even asking for much. I was not even entering, but I was feeling that repetitive step is happening, so I should enter. Don't make me regret. This is the reason I tell you the market is very unpredictable place. Like once you start making some sense to the market, it will give we are nonsense. Let's go. Let's play some game. Okay, let's go hog in the back. Yeah, hog in the start. No back. Yeah, I don't have anything for all of you people who roam. I can leave this. It's slow. Slow. I'll throw arrows. Or why to throw arrows? Bro, why such half-ass? It is sticked over there. Fine. We can handle this. We can handle this. this. We can handle this. We are not having a push, bro. I need a push. The legitimate push. At least we got his that and out of the cycle. That's why I'm happy. At least we got that thing out of the cycle. That is gonna die. Another cannon for this. We shoot out. Yeah, you already have that thing in the cycle. I knew it. Okay. Majority of people go for that side. Let's go over here, throw some fireballs, and yes, 90. Come on, 2 to 3 more cycles of that would have been great. 2 to 3 cycles of fireball. First game itself is going for a bad thing, not a great thing. It's way back. I will do this. Okay, this over here. This over here, and this over here. Let's have a common attack right now. I don't want to split and blush it. Yeah, you can take care, but I will take care of you. What? Showtime. I should keep this thing for showtime. Let's have Larry cycle running. I said this over here, showtime and all. I can have majority of. Nice. Let's go for this. Arrows. I don't need arrows. One, it is fine. Little here. Okay. Valve in the back. And magic over here. Valve having this. Me going for this, me having this. Okay. Me going for this, me going for this. Me going for this. Me going for... Yeah, he's gonna throw something with him. Yeah, obviously I knew it. Just wait for it. Fire, you fire. From here you go there. Have this with you. One is enough. Two, I have Larry's. Come Larry's. Then you come here. You come here. And I have this for you. I have this. Hey! Why he went that side? Ha. Love. Okay. Battle 2. Two losses in the row. Two losses in the row. It sounds sad that I'm having two losses in the row. Okay. Throw this in here. Me as well, you as well. Anything. You won't be able to. He will be able to. He's very close. Wow. Okay. We got this. Okay, I won't let him touch. I'll put Valk on the other side and that on the other side so I can have little 2 damage. 2 tower damage. Getting confused. Arya, you will put one, not a single one. Good. Good. That is 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 good. Ah shit. Ah shit. Both made the same decisions as I can see. You gather the elixir, yes. You gather the elixir. Have to keep him busy over here. Extra something for this. Okay. We'll try this as well. Ah! How can I miss that? Really? Yash. How can I miss that thing, bro? That is impossible for me to miss. Shit! Let's go again. Okay. Fine. Give me something. Okay, he gave me something. Okay, give me something. Like, give me something.
Showtime. Okay, give me something. Give me something. Give me something. Give me. I'll give you that, yeah. I don't like that. He's very angry dude, bro. Very angry dude. He's like that South Indian who didn't get dosa in the morning. Sorry, South fam. Sorry. Sorry. Wasted bats for that thing. Now I will keep it for yes, for this guy. Not even here. I'll put this over here, and now I'll put this over here. I know no. And then this here, this here. Okay, let's go opposite lane. The most unexpected stuff for him. Why? I should have waited a little. A little wait would have been better. A little wait would have been better. A little wait would have been better. Okay, this over here, this over here, and this over here. I will take 481 only. I don't want to take that 79. That 79 is not giving me the proud feeling to have it. Let's have 2-2. How much do you want? But I like his spirit that he's not giving up, okay? He knows that he can't win. He knows that fact that he cannot win. See, again we are in the profit, people. We are in the profit. If you just look back a little, we are still in the profit. Oh, he thinks that he has. I'll waste it over here. Oh, but he will think that I wasted for a bad reason. But people, you can clearly see we went up, we again came down, and we are in the profit, $73. My take profit is at 53. We will have that profit. We will have that profit. For very, very sure, we will have that profit. We'll have that $53 profit by hook or by crook. We should we aim for a little more? Because I don't know why I'm feeling that it will actually come down. Or no. Yeah. Let's have small profit. It's totally fine. It's totally fine. Let's have small profit. Let's have 53. I'll have to do this. It gives me free fall vibe. This cycle. Let's have this in here, this in here. No, wait. Let's wait for that. But this over here is necessary. This over here is necessary. This over here is very, very necessary. Again, the bats. Quick. Ah, we are very close to our $56 profit, guys. We are very close to our $56 profit. Plus 230. We are having very close to our 50. Why? From where? Oh, from there? Oh, really? From there you wanna come? Come, bro. I don't mind. And I'm on it. You don't listen, brother. You are not having the proper mindset to play the game. We again went in minus. Again. It will come around. It will come around. It has to come around. Okay, wasted this. Take that. Take this. 1, 2, 3. Same from the fair value gap itself, they are rising again. From the fair value gap itself, market came again. Market came down for the fair value gap. I should have understood. But it's fine. It will come down again. If it comes twice, it will come thrice as well. Let's go battle. Okay. It's over here. It's over here. I'll use the same badge for this. Arrows, 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 arrows. Okay. One hit, that's it. No, bro. One hit is too less. Like I'm afraid, nigga. Like I'm afraid. Let's go for this. A balloon. Very good value will get. Very good value. Extreme good value. Okay. We got a good value. We got the extreme good value over here. Arey yaar, I didn't. I was not looking, bro. I was not looking. Go for the alternate tower fast. And this as well.
This as well over here. Let's play. Just 1 minute I didn't saw where was the market going, sorry. Where was the game going, and you did that, just 1 minute I was not there. Come on again. Larry's in the back, Whiskey in the front. I can take it whenever and however I want, bro. Oh no 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 no. Oh no 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 no. Oh no 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 no. Let's go. Again the market take a fair value gap, bro. It will come again down. It will come again down. Did he knew? Does he have zap? No. Not even a zap. What kind of deck? How are you evaluating your decks, bro? If you're not even keeping zaps and all stuff. छोटे छोटे चैनल को थोड़ा सा everything good I don't like Paka, mini Paka especially. Let's go. Valk in the back. Let's have this over here. Let's have fireball. Everything gone. Val, give me 2 to 3 hits, bro. Come on. 2 hits, fine. I like just for you, baby doll, anything. keeping my hog rider alive mean this sane world doing the insane moments. Yeah. Let's go. अरे यार नहीं 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 bro, such a wrong place to put Pekka, bro. Fireball, just one. That guy's fear is absolute, bro. No, I don't even mind what I did over there. That guy's fear is absolute. That guy is that kind of fearful guy which can make us take impulsive decisions. See, even right now I took a very impulsive decision. But I'm fine. Let's go here. Let's go this here. We can have it like this. Okay. Come on. That's it. Did 2 to 3 impulsive movement, but that is already it's fine. See, again we are coming back. We are coming back to the market at 0.3. I'll keep my take profit 0.3 because I can clearly see this is where their stop losses are. Sorry, limit orders are placed. So 0.3 is where I'm keeping my target now. Not asking much. Okay. 45 minutes to go. Wow. Fireball value. I love when I get fireball value. Fireball value. Come over here, nigga. I'm gonna hit that ball. You're gonna be alright. My done. Early, huh? Early. Fast. Early. Okay. Not one. Nice. That guy's fear. Oh, he's a crazy guy. Okay. That guy is fearful. You don't understand this, but yes, that guy is fearful. Let's go for the cannon. I'm just gonna make it go down. And again. Wow. I should say wow. But now I don't have when his hawk comes. So I should force 2 to 3 cards so that I can get this back again over here. One hit, bro. Pekka, bro. One hit, bro. Really? One hit. Fearful guy. I can also have Pekka, but I'm not liking Pekka that much. This my cycle is little. I should get this kind of values. Let's go. Maybe this is our push. 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 Right here, right now. Maybe this is our push. You go first. You go first. Fireball race ready. You go first. You go first. You go first. You go first. Arey yaar. Most fearful guy is back again. But I had to have to worry. I have this, I have this. Very good. Very good. Absolute cinema. Absolute cinema. Obviously he has it already. Yes. Obviously it has already. I have to break his cycle. I have to break his cycle. Ah, very far. Wow. 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 Yeah. Second game. यार हाँ good. One hit still gave, right? One hit was still gave. My hog will come a little late. I will give hog, no doubt in it. But it will come a little late. I want to show that I have a hog. Let's go one more. I should have. But he doesn't know how fast my cycle is. Even in this cycle, it's not that fast for me. Now I'm betting. His cycle is fast. His cycle is very fast. Obviously, defend first. Before attacking, defend first. Oh, he has it already. We have a very similar deck, I feel. Fine. GG bro, GG. GG. How can I take a trade against the trend, bro? Wrong I did. I took trade against the trend. But one thing is very clearly visible over here. The market is trying to take a support at this point. This is where it usually is taking support. Okay. From here, next time we can go for buy. Let it come here. We can go for a buy situation from here. Let's go. Musky is good, but Phoenix didn't use since long time. Wow. Not that big of a damage. Like I was expecting, but fine. Okay, safe. Safe. We are safe. Oops. Butterfly. 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 It's crossing down. I think I should go for buy.
from 0.3. Let it touch that 0.3 level. I'll go for the buy situation. Let it touch. Let it touch. Let it touch. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's go. यार इतना कचरा कैसे ले हम that's good actually having a lot of kachras is good. Ha ha ha. दूर से मारो दूर से क्यों ही why even just that one girl. No, maybe in the back. Maybe this as well. Maybe this as well. Wow. Let me make some impulsive decisions. I got support. I have to do this. Okay. This as well. I have to do this. Close, okay, not that much, very close. Let's go another round. See, now it's falling. The time I wanted to actually buy, it is falling now. What do you want from me? Let's go for this. 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 Enough. Absolute cinema. We'll show them absolute cinema. खेलिए मीटिंग कीजिए मीटिंग Oh, I forgot this. Okay. Still going on. Still running. Let's have opposite lane thing. Let's have icy wizard in this. He don't have freeze because I have freeze. Let's throw it somewhere. Oh, please. Let's have this thing. Yeah, I usually forget this thing. No, I don't have. But I should slow him down. Or he will take my tower. Arey yaar, fine, just two of them, right? Two of them there. I don't want that guy. I don't want that. Nice one, good game. The clock is ticking. I know. Sorry for that thing, whatever I did. Let's have Inferno. I love Inferno. Let's go.
The bully itself is sent wrong. So that far is shared. Something. Okay. Suck, 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 suck. वहीं के वहीं That's his way of playing games. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Bully. Not happening anything. Bro, royal recruits are actually very nice. Yeah, like nice deck, nice cards. Okay, 20 minutes left. 20 minutes left, guys. After 20 minutes, I'll be going. After 20 minutes, I'll be going after 20 minutes. He may take kachara. I believe him. He can take kachara. He is kachara guy. Gada. It's Gada, bro. It's donkey. That card, that white ice column. Legit. Nothing he can do. He just like walks slowly. That's it. That's all he can do. Wrong card played. Wrong card. Very wrong card I played. Very wrong card. Very wrong card. Very wrong card. You at least hit him. Nice. Hog Rider. Three hawks already in their way. Away. Swift push is not gonna work, bro. Trust me, it's not gonna work. This massive push is not gonna work, bro. Nice. It's 45 minutes. Let's go. Let's make this as a last game. Okay. Let's make this as a last game. Maybe this will work, this might not work, who knows, but let's keep this as a last game. Okay. Very wrong timing. Why? Very wrong timing, bro. I would have ended that game there. I would have legit ended that game there. Okay, I'll go on 1 minute break. Okay, I'll just come back. Okay. Okay. Shit. It's fine. I can charge there. Okay. Okay, last 8 minute, people. Last 8 minute. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you all people that I won't be here for 10 days. Okay, so if you don't see me, it's totally fine. I won't be here for 10 days. I'm going home for my vacations.
There is Bakri Eid coming, but still there will be other anchor who will be working over here, so you don't have to worry about anything. You will be getting the daily updates, you will be getting every of those things for related to the market, new strategy or something like that. Okay, and today's live stream I'm ending 5 minutes for this 3 hour 50 minute we have already covered. I'm just ending this live stream 5 minutes away because I have flight to catch and every of those things. So thank you so much, people. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to all of these 3 platforms: GZBit, Zbit, and ZBitX platform as well. Do not forget to subscribe to and to follow the X platform. Okay, the X platform is much more important for all of you people to subscribe, because that's where we will be giving a lot of related stuff regarding the exchange app. Because do not forget to download the exchange app and start trading as well. You know where to learn the trading from. You just have to go to JZBit platform, the live section, and you will see that everything has started from zero to the scratch from being the advanced level. Okay, so thank you so much for all those people for everything, and I really appreciate it. I won't be here for the 10 days, but trust me, after 10 days on 14th of July you should be back over here. All right, cool. Thank you so much, people. Thank you so much for being over here. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it.